this is the kind of chinchin that when you serve it to your visitors, they will keep coming back to your house because they will not have enough of it. I can assure you of that. Welcome back to my channel. This yummy milk chinchin recipe is a must try recipe for you. And you know what? Really need to watch till the end so that you miss any bit of it. It is easy, it is fast, and you just need a few ingredients. You can see them on the screen. After adding in all your ingredients into your bowl and mixing them, you're going to add in liquid milk and you're going to mix it until you have a firm consistency and get ready to cut. If this is your first time of stopping by my channel, you are so welcome. And if you've been here before, good to have you here. If you are looking for that kind of unique food you can serve your visitors or snacks, this is something that you can make when you're expecting a visitor, and the visitor did not tell you and you are like, what can I make now? And you want to give the visitor something unique. This is what you can make in less than 15 minutes and you are done. I'm telling you, and your visitors will love it. Now, after cutting it to flat, make sure it's not so flat, make sure it's a bit thick because I really want it to look chunky. I'm going to go for that to cut it into cube-like form, and that is it. Now I'm using the other side of my cutter that has a little bit of design in it, just to go for that, to cut my chinchin, to give it two unique design and to make it look attractive and unique. Who wouldn't want something different for my visitors or for anything I want to use it for? Now look at this design and look at both design on the tray. They are so beautiful. You really don't have to dust much with your flour. No, this chinchin would not stick together because of the unique ingredients used in this recipe. And you that have refused to subscribe, click on the subscription button. I beg you now, click on it and the notification bell, because yummy recipe will be coming your way. And cooperate, let us move this channel forward. You people to subscribe, you keep watching my recipe, liking my videos, but you don't want to click on the subscription button. Okay, I'm begging you, click on that subscription button so that you can move this channel forward to the next level. I appreciate all of you that have subscribed, and I'm saying I love you, and I'm giving a shout out to all of you. And I want you to stick to this channel because more unique recipe will be coming your way. After my oil has been heated, I'm going to fry on medium heat until I have a golden brown look. Yes, golden brown look is what is perfect for this chinchin recipe. You can allow yours to be slightly brown, but the golden brown look just really brings out the thing in this chinchin for me. Yes, and I want you to try this recipe and really tell me what you think. Just 2 cups of flour or 250 grams of flour is what I use. You're not going to spend much. 1 egg and 30 ml of condensed milk. So they are really cheap ingredients for a rich chinchin like the one you are seeing here. After frying, you can see I did set them on my salver to drain off the excess oil, and I arranged them thus beautiful on my cupcake paper to let it cool and serve it to my visitors because I know they will love it, and I know you will love it too. Thumbs up this video and don't forget to subscribe. Please don't be stingy with your subscription. Bye bye, see you next.